My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we have to learn label versus lateral control in ASP.NET. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen. With the help of practical, we can understand label versus lateral control in ASP.NET with C#. Here, Microsoft Visual Studio Express Student Web Edition is open and basic website demo folder is already open. We take new file and here C# and webform file is selected. Here give the name of webform LBL demo like. Okay, just add. Here we take one label control LBL like RNO, roll number for student field, and here give the text roll number. Okay, then take other label, just copy this label control, and here we have to change the text like name. Okay, and then supply one text box control txt nm running server side and close the text. Okay, here associate control id is property of label that is used to this label is work for which control. So here txt nm, this text box id we have to assign because this label work for is text box. Okay, so here we take next control as a ASP literal. So here give the id lit server side, and here we have to provide any text like emp name. Okay, so let us check difference between first difference in the runtime. So here this is label, and this is emp name is a literal. Just right click on the web page and we see the view source. So here we can say that first different label control by default rendering means reading in span tag. Here we can see the span tag to the first our label, that is HTML span tag roll number is there, and whenever we can use the associate control id, that time label control is reading is a simple HTML like our name field. Here label tag is there. So we can say that by default label control rendering means reading in the span tag, and whenever we can use the associate control id, that time label control read in simple HTML label tag. Okay, but literal control not reading any HTML control or tag. So here there is no any tag for HTML. So that is the first different label versus literal control. To displaying the content in output, that is the behavior is different. So label control enable the display static tag. We can say that label control display the simple static tag, while literal control is display more frequently as a dynamic content. That is the second difference. Okay, now we see the third difference in the coding part. So here our name is LBL demo and that code behind file. here using system.web.web controls. Label control inherit the web control namespace, or you can say that package, and literal control not inherit the web controls. Okay, so that is the third difference. Now, fourth difference, label control can be style. Means you can apply the font style, means formatting, but literal control cannot be style. So here we give the title label format. Okay, and we apply formatting here, taking the style tag and set the type attributes txt css. Css means cascading style sheet. So here we take the one division tag general block like padding and giving the 14 px. Px means pixel, and take one block to apply the our label control lbl rm. Okay, so that is the block to declaring in cascading style sheet dot come. You can supply the as a prefix and take the name of that class. Here we have to use the label control. You can also apply all rest of control like text box, checkbox, radio button, giving that type of block name. Okay, so here we take here property. You can press control and space bar, that the property window is appear. Here back color we have to supply like directly pink, then color. Okay, we supply the blue. Okay, then border we have to give like dotted 2 pixel, and that color is red. Okay, then font size we have to take, style we have to take. So here font size we have to choose medium. So here first our label we have to assign this block. So every ASP control one property CSS class is there, and whenever you can equal sign, that time all dot block is appear. Here is we have to take only one, but you can more than one, that all list is appear here. We just select that block, so that label is formatted, and we can also format it directly our second label. So here we have to provide all ASP control also directly set the property like back color. Okay, so here we have to supply like yellow or for color. Okay, and that is we have to supply. You can also use the pickup color here, and more color option is there. So here we have to choose some different color. Okay, that code is display hexadecimal code. Also provide our uh, border style equal, and our border style is appear. We provide the double. Okay, then border color is there, so we can supply here. Also you can pick up the color for more color option. So here we give the border, and next border width, that is the 2, that is pixel. So that is I think sufficient. You can also apply more properties. So first label we have to apply the CSS cascading style class to using the script style tag before the title tag in HTML head section. And second label we have to directly formatting in ASP.NET. You can also use the scheme file and CSS file. My next series of lecture we have also covered this point, but here label versus literal control we have to difference, and that difference here we taking the label formatted, or you can say that style, but literal cannot be style. So Control S and just check the output of label how it's formatted. So here first label is a directly apply CSS class, and here we directly formatted the label. So here border is dotted and here is a double. So I think we can say that next difference, label is a heavyweight control and literal is a lightweight control. Okay, literal is a dynamic display content and label can just static text is display in the web page. Okay, now we have to check next difference and taking the new file for literal control. Label control not hold the mode property, but literal control hold the mode property. So you can assign here lit demo literal demo, and here just click. Here we have to take sp colon literal control and giving the id L1 net server side, and text we have to assign the HTML HR means horizontal rural line in HTML, and mode property is there. So mode property, there are three values is there. First we have to assign, and after that understanding which property work for which purpose. Okay, so here I close and just give one br tag and copy this, because there are three other value to assign here, that is encode, and here there are three possible value of mode property, and last is a transform. So here br tag is not required because that is the last. We have to take only three control, and we understand what is the use of. First we have to assign the mode property of literal. Here id runner text, and text is a hr means horizontal ruler line in HTML tag. Mode, here we assign the pass through, that meaning the content of the control cannot modify. That pass through is a meaning content of control that cannot be modified. Encode option is the content of control convert an HTML encode string, that is encoding in decoding is possible, and transform unsupported markup language element are not moved from the content of the control. So that is the three possible value of mode, and let us check our output. Just Control S and run F5 function key. So here in pass through there is horizontal line, here encode is convert, so HR tag is display, and here transfer is not supported attributes, so that is also giving the horizontal line. So that is the fourth difference. And next difference, label control use their ID easily identify the JavaScript and jQuery, but literal control split their ID, so that not recognized by jQuery and JavaScript. So label, I summarize the all difference label versus literal control. First difference, we can say that label control by default rendering the span tag, and when use associate control ID, that time label control rendering or reading in the simple HTML tag, while literal control, the content of text cannot read any directly in HTML tag. Second difference, we can see that label control enable the just static text, while literal control use the dynamic content of the text. Third difference, we can say that label control can style. You can format font style, background, border, back color, fore color, or etc. And literal control cannot be styled. Fifth difference, literal control just display the or hold the mode property, and label control not hold the mode property. We see the through the practical, or we can say that label control. Next difference 6 is a literal control is heavy lightweight control, and literal control label control is a heavyweight control, and literal control is a lightweight control. And label control identify the ID, JS query and JavaScript very easily, and literal control split their ID, so that is not recognized by JS query or JavaScript. So this is the end of my session. Subscribe my channel Ashok C Jhala Academy and press the bell icon. Never miss any update, and wait for my next upcoming video lecture. Thanks for watching, and Hare Krishna.